Good evening, Serbia. Let's have a little chat. While the truncheon may be used in lieu of conversation, words will always retain their power. Words offer the means to meaning, and for those who will listen, the enunciation of truth. And the truth is, there is something terribly wrong with this country, isn't there? Cruelty and injustice, intolerance and oppression, and where once you had the freedom to object, to think and speak as you saw fit, you now have media darkness and truth oppression. How did this happen? Who's to blame? Well, certainly there are those more responsible than others, and they will be held accountable, but again, truth be told, if you're looking for the guilty, you need only look into a mirror. I know why you did it. I know you were afraid. Who wouldn't be? War, terror, disease. There were a myriad of problems which conspired to corrupt your reason and rob you of your common sense. Fear got the best of you, and in your panic you turned to the now almighty President A.V. He promised you order, he promised you peace, and all he demanded in return was your silent, obedient consent. My hope is to remind this country that fairness, justice, and freedom are more than words. They are perspectives. So, if you've seen nothing, if the crimes of this government remain unknown to you, then I would suggest you allow the 15th of March to pass unmarked. But if you see what I see, if you feel as I feel, and if you would seek as I seek, then I ask you to stand beside me 1 week from tonight outside the gates of Parliament, and together we shall give them a 15th of March that shall never, ever be forgot.